the back of my bike. There's no way. Oh my God. He got close. Here comes the quad. This guy was crazy. Oh yeah, that helmet definitely is going to help him. He scraped hard that last time. Oh my God. He literally was trying to drag his hand and almost fell off. There's Tyler. Oh! He scraped his license plate twice. Oh my God. Yeah. That would be me right there. There's Here comes another scrape. Oh my God. I guess that's a good way to know when to stop. You hear and you're like, oh. Oh, I mean, this is crazy. This is like literally straight footage. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Oh my God, this is crazy. Comes Tyler. It looked like they were going to run into each other. Oh, that freaking ATV just jumped. See where the ground goes like that? Oh, man. That guy's really good. He keeps scraping constantly. Tyler. This guy's trying to get into it. That's me right there. Oh! I wonder how many gloves he goes through with all those hand drags. You know? Yeah. Oh my God, that pole was like right there. He almost ran into that pole. Yeah, I literally kind of think like he keeps doing it and then he looks at us for reassurance like, did you see that? Well, there's a stoppie. Boop. Perfect. It's just there goes that tire. I kind of like the exhaust on it. It's not super loud. A Yosh. I guess he wants another tire. I really don't know, but oh, almost lost it at the end. There's the ATV. I'm gonna put something way off my bike and it's gonna go back like way back here. So when you're like right here. So when I like barely pull it up, scrape like that, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Now he's getting his bike out. This is that other dude's bike that was on the quad, so let's see if it is absolutely insane or if it's a little bit worse just because he doesn't have 4 wheels. So now he's got a 2-stroke out. Oh my god, he is like right next to the edge. Oh my god, that's gotta be sketchy. He's pretty good.
I guess it's not just the quad.
I mean, he's definitely better on the quad just because he's got more control. He's pretty good. Oh! Oh man. Oh yeah. It seems like the quad's way easier because he's like really balanced on it. Freaking gave each other a high five. Oh man. High five. I felt his fingertips. Oh, here we go. He picked me out. Oh well.
Did he dip around you?
He went. Oh, will he do it? Yeah. We're gonna head out, I think, and go get some drinks. That was fun. Sit down, drink. Wheelies, drink.
Pull,
Drink.
headshot,
Drink.
sit down,
Drink.
stand up.